How's it going, guys? I'm Stephen. Thank you for joining us on our daily dog walk with the small dogs on Monday the 23rd of May. It's the morning, we've got a full pack, plus Juno, our German short hair pointer, who's with us some of the mornings this week, maybe every morning this week. And dogs are in good form, pretty settled. It's interesting, Juno is obviously head and shoulders amongst above the others, and yeah, I think there's a few of them that have met her, but a few are a bit like, hey, hang on, we're the little guys. So anyway, it's all going fine, it's all going to plan. Stay with us, we'll show you where we are, what we get up to, and how the dogs behave. It's going to be a good one. Hello guys. Hello, hi Juno. Juno and Juno and Elsa. Thank you, Elsa. Hey guys. Hey, how are we all doing? How are we all doing? What is it, Charlie? What is it, buddy? He's not happy about something. Come on in, let's see what Charlie's not happy about. Where's that ball? Where's that ball? Who's got the ball? Where's the ball? Where's that ball? Where's that ball? Juno. Juno. Hi guys. Hi, I see everyone, I see everyone. It's warm, guys, isn't it? It's warm. I think we'll need to go down to the river, guys. What do you think? Will we go down? I think so. Ted, you're panting away as well, buddy. Who's going in for a drink? Yeah, Ted. Who's going in for a drink? Come on, you guys. In we go. Hey guys, up here. Good. Who's got that ball? Who's got that ball? Who's got that ball? Just wait, guys. Let's let these guys pass us. Good. Everyone's doing great. Apart from, we don't like this. We don't like this. Thank you. That's good. Well done, you guys. Alright guys, well that wraps us up for another walk, another Monday morning done. The dogs look pretty suitably knackered and so am I, so we must have had a good one, and I think I'm a little bit sunburnt as well. Let us know where you've been watching us from. We've got viewers all over the world. It's lovely to hear where you guys are from and what you've been up to with your dogs. So please, if you can, give us a like, comment, subscribe and share, and we'll see you on our next walk. Take care.